All right. So my first sincere request for you is don't copy or don't share what you write. And if you share, the marks will be deducted by same answers but the same way. You might be thinking like you are helping your friend. No, right? Yeah. And first thing I want, I am very much happy to interact. Cream students of the country. Are you a cream student of country? Do you consider yourself as cream student of country? Kuncha Madhu.
Yes, sir.
So do you consider yourself as cream student of the country or not?
Yes, sir.
Total, how many students wrote JE at that your time?
Uh, Sir, I don't remember the number, sir, but it is around 14 lakhs, sir.
14 lakhs. What is your rank, Madhu?
Sir, 6,528, sir.
What is the percentage of 6,000 in 14 lakhs?
Sir, sir, it is nearly around less than 4.5%, I think, sir.
Less than 1
0.
1%.
Sir, 0.45%, sir.
0.45%. So 0.45% means so you are the cream student of the country. So I am very happy to interact with. Right. So what happened?
Thank you, sir.
Your seniors came to hostel.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. And those who are in hostel, they are asked to write exam offline. Everybody vacated. So you are a cream student of the country.
Yes, sir.
You heard what I am saying, Madhu.
Sir, means.
Eh? Your, your seniors or your classmates were there in the campus.
Yes, sir.
When they are asked to write exam, those who are there in hostel need to write exam offline, is what the statement given by the administration. So all
Yes,
they
sir.
vacated are hostels. So do you consider them as cream students of the country who likes challenges?
Sir, I asked. I thought you asked for me, sir. I don't think so, sir.
Okay. All right. So we hope everything it goes well, and this time I think uh, after March or April when you complete your exam, then you can meet somewhere around in internships. Where we'll offer in the Department of ECE. I think if you apply for that, yeah, that is different story. But okay, the first point is you are cream student of the country, which you have to know. Right. And then the second point is you have to accept that you are cream students of the country. And after 10 years or after 4 years here, after finishing your BTech, if you are simply seeking a job and a student of Vagdevi College of Engineering nearby Warangal is seeking a job, difference is null, none. Right. So how do you want to see yourself after 10 years from now would be a challenge, would be has to be that is what should be decided by the student. So how do you want to see yourself after 10 years from now, right? So I think that is my first question when I entered in your class, but we are missing the physical class. So just I'm trying to give what we have to do or we have to do in this semester in this particular subject. Okay. So put a question. How do you want to see yourself from now? So 10 years, right? Just keep a question and then be ready with your answer. Answer yourself only, right? But mostly what you do, data is so much. YouTube is so wonderful thing. So many movies you have. Each day, 2 movies also, entire time is killed. Right? So what you have to do is, to avoid that, you have to buy books. Wholeheartedly you tell me, what are the books you purchased in second year first semester? Did you purchase any book or not? Amruta? A05. Amruta? Some mic problem, I think. Praneeth? A35. Praneeth? Ashraful Islam? A08. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Amruta?
Sir, you had called me, right?
A name, ma?
Sir, Amrita.
Yeah. Did you buy any book, ma, in your second year first semester?
Not really, sir. I studied just online resources, textbook that were sent online.
It will be very difficult, no, ma? All the time, referring internet or before computer.
No, the PDFs that were sent, the textbooks that were sent as PDFs, I'll refer to them.
Yeah, but when you are in +1 and +2, this is the way you prepared, Amma?
No, sir.
So this is what one thing you have to observe. The amount of effort which you put in your +1 and +2, at least 10% if you put in your engineering, then that would be great. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to buy books.
Okay, sir.
A longer time you want to study means, you have to purchase books. Did you purchase? What is the book you followed for EDC 1, ma? Electronics devices and circuits, electronic devices.
Razavi, one book.
Rasavi,
Fundamentals of Microelectronics by Razavi.
Rasavi, one book, one more book.
That's all I followed, sir.
Milman Halkias, you heard about it?
No, not really.
That is a Bible of electronics, Amma. Integrated
Okay.
Electronics by Milman Halkias, yellow pad, every student should have. PC student.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so in control systems also you have one book called Control Systems by you have the referred book is anyone? If you
Nagar Kani.
huh?
Is it by Nagar Kani, sir?
No. Benjamin C. Kuo. Hello. Nagar Kani is what written in your textbook or what? No, na?
No, sir.
Right?
I don't know the name. I
Yeah. This is what one important subject in GATE point of view also. if you want to test your engineering knowledge, then GATE examination is one standard benchmark. Okay, and all your PSUs, they will select from your GATE rank only. Do you know that? Do you know that you have to you have one exam called GATE? GATE. GATE stands for what? Anyone?
Graduate aptitude test in engineering.
Graduate aptitude test in engineering. If you want to do your masters in India, or if you want to get select for PSUs, PSU stands for what?
Public sector units.
Public sector units. A government job if you want, or if you are aiming on, and GATE is an examination you need to qualify. And generally, how much knowledge you have in your graduation studies is reflected by your GATE rank. So one very important subject is control system engineering, where I think around 8 to 10 marks you will get from this particular subject. Because the concepts of control system engineering which you study will be helpful for that particular point, and then in your designs also. Yeah. So and anyhow, that is the first class. No, that's why I'm not giving you that much pressure on you and all. So the subject name is control system engineering. So what I'm saying now is the first point which I touched upon is you are cream students of the country. When you are cream students of the country, your time wasting will result in lots of things. So you should not seek for a job. You have to create jobs. You should be an entrepreneur. So how do you want to see yourself? Means after this year, if I get job, and then if I get married, if I have beautiful wife and kids and all, then there is no difference between you and the guys who are studying in private engineering colleges. Why? Now, what is the fees you are paying in NIT Warangal? Tuition fees?
62,500.
Huh? Ritvik,
Like for 4 years, sir.
per year.
Per semester, I think it's around 63,000 around.
So 75, 1.5 lakhs would be your tuition fee, I guess, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now, same education, if you want to do same EC in BITS Pilani, what would be the fees?
Around 20 lakhs.
For completion of 4 years, right?
Yes.
So here 1.5 lakhs means per year means 6 lakhs, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So then coming to the quality of education, they are studying engineering. Here also you are studying engineering, and the salary of the professors here is more than or nearer or equal to the salary of the professors where they are paying in BITS Pilani, SRM or BITS Pilani, even less than us. Then for making an engineer, how much, why that much cost of 20 lakhs? So for education, for creating one engineer, if that much amount it has to be, that need to be spent, then you are studying with whose money? You are studying with
Public.
taxpayers' money, is it not?
Yes.
So you are studying, remember, you are studying with taxpayers' money. The amount which you are paying here is a rebatable price. Government is giving salary to the faculty of NIT, right? So you are getting some, so you are studying with taxpayers' money. Don't forget it. So you should have a goal. So what should we do, sir? When we are in second year, what should we do? Don't do anything. Just do the justification for the career which you have chosen. Now you are a student of ECE NIT Warangal. Yes. What is your duty? To study. Right. Other than that, don't do any tasks. When you are a student, some expectations are there from the student to the society. Just do it. Don't do much more than that. Get a CGPA of more than your 7.5 or 8.5 CGPA, which tells you that he's a dedicated student who controlled himself and then studied the things. Okay. In a given time, he has done a wonderful task. Your CGPA reflects the same. Okay, so that is what I am trying to touch upon in my first class. So how do you want to see yourself from now, after 10 years, whether it is a corona or not corona or Omicron or whatever it is? After 10 years, how do you want to see yourself? That matters now. How do you decide? Just do duties. At that time, what the duty is given to you to study, to understand the concepts of engineering, of electronics and communication engineering. That's it. But thing is, you will be panicked by whether I'll get a job or not. I'll get a job. When you have perfection, getting a job is nothing. Okay. All right. So now let us move towards our subject. So what is our subject name? Yeah. And don't hesitate to ask questions. If you have any questions, you can ask me at any moment. Okay. You can see screen now.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the subject? Subject code is what you said is EC254. Huh?
Yes, sir. EC254.
Correct, no? Name of the subject is Control Systems Engineering, right? Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is engineering? Answer, please. If you interact, you will be, in your state. You're controlling the age of 18, 19. And
Practical
focusing on
application.
what is asked. Huh.
Practical application of theoretical sciences.
So engineering, what you are saying is practical application of
Theoretical sciences.
Theoretical
Sciences.
science, huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
One answer. Huh? ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering. At least you have to know here. It's E. Any other? Yeah, any more? Practical application of theoretical science. Any others? Can take help of internet, no? Akshit.
Building.
What is that? What is that? Akshit? Hello. Akshit, where are you?
Sir, maybe building and something.
Where are you? From where are you?
Sir,
Where are you from?
on vacation?
Where are you from?
Anantapur, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Anantapur.
Yes.
Building, constructing building is called engineering,
No, sir, like making.
So making things, or making
System.
anything. Making systems, Mhm.
Sir, use of science and math to design or make things.
Use of
Science and math
maths and science, okay, to
to design or make things.
design to make things, okay. Maths and science, use of maths and science. Do you know the difference between scientist and engineer? Okay, one way of answer, okay, 50%. Correct. Anywhere you came across what is engineering, or anywhere you found a definition for engineering? Anyone? Answer please. There is no one definition, sir. There are a number of definitions, sir. Tell me. Yeah. Engineering is a profession in which a knowledge of mathematical, natural, and social sciences is gained by study, experience, and practice, is applied with judgment to develop ways to utilize economically the materials and forces of the nature for the benefit of the society. Making things, okay. Why do you make things, and by whom you make the things? Okay, so if you are not, come across this anywhere, please write it down. Engineering is a profession in which a knowledge of mathematical, natural, and social sciences is gained by, how do you gain the knowledge? Study, experience, and practice, is applied with judgment. So you have to apply this knowledge with judgment to utilize the materials economically and forces of the nature for the benefit of the society. This is how it is defined in a book where I came across, Engineering Circuit Analysis by Haidt and Kemmel. Okay, right? So it's a beautiful, if you are there in physical class, we would have discussed everything. A profession in which the knowledge of mathematical, you said mathematical, natural, and social sciences is gained by study, practice, and with experience. And you have to study these things and you have to apply this with judgment, utilize the materials economically, to utilize economically the materials and forces of the nature for the benefit of the society. That is what engineering is. Much elaboration can be done, but okay, no problem. How do you define systems? Anyone? System. Yeah. Let me ask you one question. Circuit. How do you define circuit? Come on.
Collection of electrical devices and using a wire.
Collection or connection?
Connections.
You said the same? Connection of? Correct. Please.
Electrical
Who's answering?
Connection of electrical circuits through wire.
Connection of electrical.
Electrical devices, electrical devices through wire.
Electrical devices. Okay, so we are discussing, circuit. Connection of electrical devices. Only electrical devices or electronic devices too, yeah, Akshit? Can you give me a few examples of electrical devices? Answer, please. Bhargav. Bhargav? 09 BVS Bhargav. Those who are not, opening their mouth, I'm just giving them option. CRU noted down their numbers. Those who are not, they are not just simply, opening their mouth means, and I'll mark them option. Vaibhav? A15.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Ah.
sir, it is a system which can be used to
Hey, fellow. Madhu.
Yes, sir.
Kodatan. See, when we are not understanding or when we are not answering system, we came to circuit.
Yes, sir.
And when we are coming to circuit, you are again going to system, which is not correct.
Both are related, sir.
Hey. Circuit. How do you define circuit? It is an interconnection of one or more electrical devices or electronic devices, is it not? Electrical devices, give me example. Resistor,
Bulb.
inductor, capacitor. Okay, electrical devices. Okay. Now, being an electronic student, we are studying electrical circuits or electronic circuits.
Electronic circuits.
Electronic circuit. Okay, electronic circuit. Define electronic circuit. Then we will go to system. Right. Circuit. Circuit is an interconnection of one or more devices connected in such a manner there exists at least a closed path in which current may flow. Am I correct?
Yes.
Sir.
Circuit means it is an interconnection of one or more electrical or electronic devices in which there exists at least a closed path in which current may flow. Correct, no?
So, but in general words, we will say open circuit, no, sir. When there is a like,
O- as such, there are no uses of open circuit. Open circuit is intermediate concept to analyze the circuit, right?
yes, sir.
The moment you say circuit is an interconnection of simple electrical devices in which there exists at least one closed path in which current may flow. Open circuit, in the concept, we will call it as, like, for analysis, for understanding only, we will cut it and then say it is open, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Circuit means it should have at least one closed path. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm calling circuit now. I'm not saying it is open circuit or closed circuit. Circuit means it should have a closed path. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, electronic. Can you see what I'm holding?
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Is it an electronic device?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Can you see what I'm holding?
No, sir. It's not clear, sir.
Bulb, I think.
Is it a ball, sir?
It's not a ball. My name is written. It is given by gift by a student who worked with me and got a paper in conference, presenting conference event. Okay, right. Do you see what I am holding with?
Remote.
Yes, sir. Remote.
So is that an electronic device?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this an electronic device?
Yes.
Yes.
Is this an electronic device?
So what is this? Box. Something.
Breadboard.
It's called breadboard.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Now, the moment we call it about electrical circuit or electronic circuit, it is an interconnection of electrical devices or electronic devices. Okay. Which device can be called an electrical device? Which device can be called an electronic device?
So the
Can you
device.
see, can you see what I am holding with?
From wooden prism.
Yeah, it is a pen stand. Can I call it as an electronic device?
No, sir.
Right. Can you see what I am holding with?
Helmet.
Helmet, sir.
Is that an electronic device?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
When you can call a device as an electronic device? Sarada Kasim, first class.
When it allows the flow of charges through it.
Yeah, very good. When it allows
The flow of charges.
flow of charges. Very clever answer. Who is that? Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Flow of charges. What is current?
Current is when charge flows through a cross section.
Can you see what I am holding?
Screwdriver, sir.
Screwdriver, or it's a poker actually to punch hole.
Okay, sir.
Right. So do you see this? This is a metal, okay, or iron.
Yes, sir.
It allows flow of electrons through it.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. The metal part allows.
The metal part allows. Can I call it as an electronic device?
No, sir.
A device
Kaushik,
which
I'm confusing
controls
you.
the flow.
Kaushik, I'm confusing you.
Yes.
Question you said is very clever. I'll answer. Which flow of charges you said? Flow of
And
charges means what, Kaushik?
Actually, flow of electrons. That's what I meant.
You meant the same flow of
Yeah.
electrons. Then
Yes.
okay. So
So
then
according to me, an electric device which takes an input and gives an output is called to be electronic circuit.
hey, fellow Harshit.
Yes, sir.
No, yaar. No. Now, electrical wires you see outside for carrying electricity to your house. The wires here outside.
Yes, sir.
Is that electronic?
No, sir. But I have said which takes an input and give an output.
Hello, computer. We give input through mouse.
Yes, sir.
You get
It will
output
be
on screen.
yes, sir. It will be called an electronic device, but
You are not there otherwise, taking a big stick and then beating like anything. Resistor, inductor, capacitors are called electrical devices. Now answer.
Sir, electronic device
So
is
which
the
have
device which decides the flow of current.
Kirti Kiran. Megha Nirala. Megha,
yes, sir, which have electrical device in it.
tell me one electronic device which you know.
So a mobile, anything.
Mobile is a system actually. It is interconnection of so many electronic devices. Okay. Listen the question clearly. Do you
Yes.
give me some example of electronic devices which you know?
So transistor,
Very good. Transistor. Kiran.
amplifiers in.
Yeah, Vaibhav BJT, correct. Bipolar junction transistor.
Yes,
So
sir.
this bottle is an electronic device.
No, sir.
Bottle made up of what? This bottle is a glass bottle actually. It made up of what? Glass and plastic bottles. Okay. BJT made up of what?
So diode and.
Very good. Diode, BJT, FET, MOSFET are electronic devices.
Yes, sir.
Right. So they are made up of what?
conductors.
Shakil.
Yes, sir. Semiconductors.
Semiconductors. Excellent. A device which can be made up of semiconductor can be called electronic device. Which can be made up of semiconductor can be called an electronic device. Is it not? Remember from now onwards. Any device, the moment I say it is a remote control, right, inside there is an IC. IC means integrated circuit. Integrated circuit is made up of transistors in the form of IC, right? Okay, so any device, if it is made up of semiconductor, PN junction diode, P-type material, N-type material. P-type material is what? P-type material is what? Made up of what?
More holes than electrons.
Doped?
Semiconductor.
Semiconductor. Which semiconductor it is doped with?
Electron excess elements like
Silicon, no? Any fourth group element, right?
yeah, fourth group.
Any fourth group element, if it is doped with trivalent,
Third group element. Third group.
third group element, it results in P-type material, right?
Yes, sir.
So any device, if it is made up of semiconductor device, then it is called electronic device. Remember, electronic circuit. Any circuit is an interconnection of one or more. So if any circuit, if it is interconnection of one or more electrical or electronic devices, is called electronic circuit. And in one or more devices, when they are connected together to achieve a particular objective, is called a system. I started here, control systems engineering. So to give systems, system is an interconnection of one or more devices connected together to achieve a particular objective. System can be electrical system or electronic system or mechanical system or any system. So now if you try to take a bulb, okay, now if you try to take a bulb, it is a glass metal and in which it is made up of filament, and here you have two conductors, right? So it is a system, it is an interconnection, or it is made up of one or more devices, glass, filament and gas inside, right, and conductors connected together to achieve a particular objective. So when it is a bulb, the objective is what? To give light, right? Electronic systems. So electronic systems means what? It is an interconnection of one or more electronic devices connected together to achieve a particular objective. Is what systems? Systems. Systems is an interconnection of one or more devices connected together to achieve a particular objective. The system can be electrical system if it is interconnection of electrical devices. And here you have to know one more difference also. Resistor, inductor, capacitor is one category, and you have voltage source, current source. They are different categories. You have passive components and active components. You heard about it? Passive and active.
Yes, sir.
Passive means the moment you connect this device in a circuit, it absorbs or it takes energy from the circuit, and those components are called passive. And few circuits, when they are in the few devices, when they are in circuit, they gives energy to the circuit, then those components are called active component. So transistor is passive or active? What for me? Did you break your head? Okay. So that is what system. System engineering. Now control. So what do you mean by control? Right. So what do you mean by control? Anyhow, the time is up now. So we will be discussing tomorrow control and control system engineering, and by seeing entire thing and then what are the contents of the syllabus and all will be seen. But it is my suggestion to you to buy a book, Control Systems Engineering by Benjamin C. Kuo, 9th edition, and keep it with you at least to call you as a student. Okay, so you have to buy books actually. Few books which are very much helpful for your life. If you have any questions, I'll be taking your questions, or otherwise you can leave. Any questions, please? If you don't have any questions, then we'll meet in the next class. I think next class is on Thursday, right? Dheeraj?
Yes, second day, sir.
Uh-huh. Our next class is on Thursday and Friday, no?
Yes, sir.
Thursday ఎప్పుడు? Time. Okay, thank you.
8 to 9, sir.
What is the time? 8 to 9.
8 to 9.
So you call me once, Dheeraj or Sai Varun. So I'll be, we will be discussing on this. Okay.